Hey guys, my name is Lembit, and today I have a quick workflow course on dry utilities in Civil 3D. As you know, Civil 3D doesn't have any dedicated tools to create dry utilities, so all of this is going to be my approach, and hopefully some of you will find it useful. So yeah, course has a few parts. So the first part is going to be just about the elements or the tools that I use to get my things done. Then we're gonna move on designing dry utilities. So I'm going to have a few examples. Uh, I'm going to walk through all these examples so you can just get the idea how to make things in how to make dry utilities in Civil 3D. And then we're gonna move on applying property sets and exporting these dry utilities to an EFC file that you can later on share with anyone else, right? And yeah, and part 4 will be just the advanced topics and future updates. For example, if some of you, or if I get some, common questions that people will keep asking, then I'll make a video on that, and hopefully everyone benefits from that, right? So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. See you next time.